College, Maringalli, e-learning.
Once again, welcome one and all to the session of Knowledge and Management. Myself, Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Human Resource Management. Knowledge management. This is one of the widely and currently discussed topic in human resources nowadays. And that is the sole reason why this subject has been chosen by the syllabus as one of the syllabus in human resources or human resource management. Knowledge. The knowledge is something which is meaningful, or meaningful data is known as knowledge. In this session, we will be discussing about the definition of knowledge management, types of knowledge, what is strategic knowledge management system, what are the models of strategic knowledge management system, and knowledge management culture. Knowledge management system is a process of creating, sharing, and using information and knowledge in an organization for achieving or its objectives. Earlier, companies used labor or manpower for its physical assistance, but as the time went on, or as the time flied upon, or with the passage of time, companies started using the brains of manpower or brain of human resources. That can be called as knowledge management system. Again, there are many multinational companies which are using knowledge management system. Some of them are conglomerates like Amazon, General Electricals, and automobile giant like Ford. These companies, Ford, say for example, Ford has used knowledge management system for its new product development. In each and every stage of, let it be production or marketing or finance or HR, knowledge is used by many multinational companies nowadays. So itself, this subject is inevitable in today's scenario. Let's see the definition of knowledge management. The definition given by Sewell. The physical toil of manufacturing is being replaced by a world where we work more with our brains than our hands. So, as per the definition, it is quoted that apart from physical work, more of the brain or intellectual of the human being is used in knowledge management system. Again, it refers to identifying and leveraging the collective knowledge in an organization to help the organization to compete with their competitors. Moreover, knowledge management system helps in easy or quick decision making capability for corporates. So itself, it is a multidisciplinary approach. Importance or need of knowledge management system. Nearly 60% of the job requirements need knowledge. Knowledge works have high demand. Knowledge workers can do the job effectively than traditional workers. Success factor in today's economy is knowledge. So itself, knowledge is power and it is very scarce. So it is very important that you need to acquire knowledge through whatever experience which you are gaining day by day. Each day gives you new experience. So from that experience, you are gaining some or the other new knowledge or information. So that information or knowledge can be used in achieving organizational objective as well. Types of knowledge. There are mainly two types of knowledge: implicit or tacit knowledge and explicit knowledge. Tacit knowledge. The tacit means understood and implied without being stated. That is, it is a knowledge which is inbuilt in a human being, but it needs to be utilized as an according to the situation. Tacit knowledge is unique and it can't explain clearly. It is a knowledge which the people possess and which is difficult to express also. For example, the cognitive skills of an employee is a classic example for tacit knowledge. Tacit knowledge is personal and it varies depending upon education, attitude and purpose. Now, explicit knowledge. It means stated clearly and in detail without any room for confusion. It is easy to articulate and they are not subjective also. It is also not unique and it will not differ upon individuals. It is impersonal. It is easy to share with others also. What is strategic knowledge management system? Strategy, as you all know, it is a path through which the organizational objective can be achieved. It is a chosen path or the direction. So, strategic knowledge management involves strategies to develop, implement and maintain the knowledge management system inside an organization in an effective manner. It requires management to pay attention to 5 P's, namely planning, people, process, product and performance. So, that is the 5 P's or model of strategic knowledge management. It is illustrated with the help of a diagram. First one, planning. Planning means deciding in advance what is to be done in future. It should clarify knowledge, goals and establish effective values and process to support these directions. It requires ongoing and monitoring and measurement. It decides where we are and where we want to go. Progressive review and replanning to handle changing environment. So, without planning, no objectives can be achieved in any organization. So, itself planning is very important in strategic knowledge management. People is a key factor or it is a key resource in any organization for the organization to run in an effective and efficient manner. It is the most important aspect to recognize that it lies with the strategic knowledge management lies with the people. People manage the system and process and the brains of people or human resource is used in developing strategy and implementing and maintaining the same. Need is to convince people about the benefits of strategic knowledge management. Next one, process. Knowledge management principles need to be put into application through effective workplace practices. Process implies systematic and orderly arrangement in such a manner that a particular objective is to be accomplished. Careful management of alignment of strategies, principles, process and practice need to be done. So, that need to be done in a process. Messages about what is important might be perceived differently across the organization. In some organization, they will be giving more emphasis on certain process. Say for example, if an organization is giving more importance to increasing their promotion or increasing their product launch, they need to focus more on that particular activity. So, it is a process in which the focus must be given. Need of the hour would be to monitor the actual process regularly to ensure that it reflects knowledge priority. Products. For each and every organization, product is the source through which the profit is acquired. Each organization builds its own knowledge output, might be shared to client or exist as internally shared knowledge objects. Explicit knowledge should be captured and distributed efficiently and timely. Say for example, intranet. Intranet is a best example for product where the knowledge is being shared within a prescribed limit. Performance. Performance of employees are evaluated and analyzed periodically in order to reward them. Regular review to ensure that financial and social capital investment is positively influencing the intellectual and social capital of the organization. Regular evaluation to consider how well knowledge management is integrated into the business context. Performance of the employees are more considered by the organization in order to reveal the credibility of employees or rate the performance of employees. Knowledge culture, that is the last topic which we are going to see. Knowledge culture is a scenario, it is a kind of culture which persuades individuals to identify and apply knowledge sharing as an appropriate behavior. It plays a key role in creating the excellent knowledge culture. Say for example, Siemens is one company which is adopting this knowledge sharing or knowledge management culture. If you are taking the case of MNCs, and again Titan is also one of the Indian company which is a Tata based company or Tata group company, which is sharing knowledge management culture. That is, knowledge is being imparted to the employees on a large scale for accomplishing the organizational objectives and also to move in accordance with the current scenario of the changing business environment. And that's all for this session. Thank you.